In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recall an email in Gmail after 1 hour, and I want to be very clear right away about what is and isn't possible. Gmail does not fully recall or unsend an email after 1 hour if the recipient has already received it. Gmail's undo send feature only works for a short time after you hit send, so if you're trying to pull back a message after a full hour, that option is no longer available. That said, I'll show you exactly where the setting is, how to increase the cancellation time to the maximum Gmail allows, and what you can do to reduce the chance of sending something too soon in the future. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Gmail in your browser by going to mail.google.com and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once Gmail opens, look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the page. Click the gear, then choose See All Settings. This will take you to the full Gmail settings menu where you can adjust how your account behaves. On the General tab, scroll down until you find the Undo Send section. This is the feature that gives you a short window to cancel a message after sending it. Here's the important part. Gmail only allows a maximum cancellation period of 30 seconds. So if you want the longest possible time to stop a message, choose 30 seconds from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind this is still not a true 1 hour recall. It simply gives you a little more time right after you send an email. After selecting 30 seconds, scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh and your new Undo Send setting will be active. Now, if you send an email in the future and catch it quickly enough, you'll see the undo button appear at the bottom of the screen for up to 30 seconds. If you click it in time, Gmail will stop the message from being delivered. But if more than 30 seconds have passed, or if you're trying to unsend an email after an hour, Gmail cannot take it back. At that point, the best option is usually to send a follow-up email with a correction, clarification, or apology, depending on the situation. So the key takeaway is this: you cannot recall an email in Gmail after 1 hour, but you can set undo send to the maximum 30 seconds and use that short window to cancel messages right after sending them. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gmail tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.